I screwed up my Gaggimate install. Dule, can you look what went wrong? Let's find out. Boom. So a while back, a fella contacted me and said, hey, we live close by, would you be able to install it all for me? And I said, sure. Meantime, he watched a lot of videos, my videos, this, that. He said, hey, I feel confident to do it. Not so much with the plumbing, but, you know, I'm going to try it. Sure, you know, you do what you need to do. And then following week, I believe, he said, ew, I screwed up my install. I tried Discord. I can't figure it out. Would you be able to look at it for me? And basically, this is what I got. I need to figure out what went wrong. Cheers, everybody. The screen is not powering on. I'm gonna try to flash him. And see, when he got it, I don't know, like usually I power on all my stuff, even the giveaway that I had, like I opened all the displays, just power them on. I'm not gonna send out a broken display, but like I'm going off of it that he doesn't know if it's powering on or not. One step at a time. It's erasing now. I mean, he was able to flash it, but if the image output is wrong, then it's what's up. In the meantime, take out this. Okay, do you need? He didn't trust me in my tutorial. I'm against all the paperwork here. It is what it is. I think that the display output is kaput, which sucks. So I have a screen. That definitely sucks now. Let me just observe. It's unfortunate. I'm gonna recheck all the wiring and I'm gonna connect my screen and let's see what's going on. Oh, I have everything kind of connected here. Nothing is shortened. The SSR is not powering up. Interesting. I just put back the ground wires. He had them connected together. I don't know. If there's no ground, what happens? Who knows? What's up? Yeah, boy. Science. We got a puddle with the pressure transducer over there. One thing at a time. Booyah! This is the wiring. If anybody's a mechanic with my 2,000 phenomenal subscribers, they'll understand the frustration when somebody gives you their work and you have to go step by step. Obviously, this is not too many steps. In a car, it can be who knows what. It was the wire, multiple. So, broken ribbon on the screen. I unfortunately don't have the, you know, not expertise. I don't have a precise enough soldering iron and whatever to solder this smallest piece of copper in this ribbon. He's going to need to order a new one, either this one or the small Liligo, but I digress. You know, it's like you ground the ground to nothing. It's not going to properly give ground to the PCB. So now, controller is working, SSR is working, everything is working, it's heating up, it's brewing, the switches are working. This actually becomes a headless mod because the board itself is working, so he just needs to order this. When it comes, replace it. I don't know if it's user error, I don't know if it was ship broken, that's beyond me, not my issue to solve. I repaired it. I'm going to tidy all the stuff, put it back in, bleed the transducer, just make it look proper. He still has the lid and all the stuff, and that's it. I'm very happy that I figured it out. You know, 1.5 beers after, cheers, and you know, it's fun. It's late and I'm so stoked. Cheers. Now to end this video, Can you tell me the topic of my next video? It's here. It's somewhere here. It's crazy, it's outrageous, and it's just... Stay tuned. My name is Dule Rabbit. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one.